Ever feel life's weight, like you're running in place? What if I told you your mind holds secrets proving your incredible strength? This is your moment to awaken the fighter within. True progress isn't always grand. It's built on consistent, tiny actions. Embrace these small